10 minutes goes by really, really fast. Really fast. I mean, it was like, boom. I mean, I'm sitting here doing things, all of a sudden, boom, it's time to start the stream, and then my 10-minute countdown, it's like, gone. Terrible. I need to shave again. I should really do that before every stream, because it makes me look old. Right off the bat, I feel like the music's really loud. Got a lot of drop frames. Hopefully that's this song's a bit too happy. Too happy moment. There we go. A little bit more heavier. Heavy in the, So how's it going? Tuesday night. Yeah. So, been having these troubles with Adobe XD. Not installing at home. If you can't tell by my demeanor, I'll just admit it. It's like, no, the solution did not work. Kind of upset about that. I'd hoped it would work. I have Adobe Creative Cloud through work. I haven't installed at home because I do work at home. But since I recently started messing with Adobe XD, it won't install. It won't install at home. It installs at work. It won't install at home. Not sure why. Got through the steps. Been through the help forms. So I posted on the, sorry, my eye itches. I posted on the Adobe forums what was going on, and it's basically similar to what other people are posting. And my camera's a little off. It's bugging me. Needless to say, the solution was to VPN so that I could log in like I am on my work network, and it did not work. I thought that would be it. George, a good friend of the show, met him through Xanthi. Xanthi, hey, how you doing? Really was a lot, helped out. I mean, we didn't fix the problem, but he was, we were there in the trenches trying to figure it out. He was 99% sure that's what would work, and no, still not. So I have a ticket, not a ticket, but a help request in. Somebody did respond that said I needed to go to the agents. I am getting a lot of drop frames. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm on a VPN. Am I still disconnected? I may have disconnected. Did I disconnect? I'm back live. Am I still there somewhere? I might have did something, It looks like it. It looks like it's all right. Okay. We still may be good. I'm just checking something real quick. Axe boys. Thanks for the the thingy. Appreciate it. Yes, so yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. That didn't work. The getting on the VPN did not work. And I know. All right. So I'm going to probably one night get on here and try to contact Adobe through their support chat. See if that helps. But anyway, on to happier things. I would like to say happy birthday to my one of my best friends, Doug Cook, Uncle Jebby. I would like to say, hey, Uncle Jebby, happy birthday. He's old. Not as old as me, but he's now old. He's old. Well, he's been old, but he's old. So, happy birthday, Doug. And I hope you went out and bought yourself something good. I hope the kids treated you right. I hope Soph made you some good food. And you and I will have to, get together this weekend or next weekend or something. Go out and do the usual wings, etc. Beer goodness. And I'll tell you all about my stories of trying to get Adobe XD to work and it not, it's really disappointing. That it's probably something really simple and I just can't figure it out. And I usually can. So, because I was hoping to have some great news, some great, great news that, yeah, I got it working. No, I did not get it working. So, yeah, my title's misleading. So, I am going to go ahead and, finish up some Canva Stream Deck buttons. I think I've decided, though, I want to do something different. Something different. I think I want to have my when my button is lit up, I think I want my skull on there. I don't want it to say what it is, because I know what it is. It's lit up. That's the whole reason it's lit up. So go. So let's see. What do I want to do? I want to I want to make a copy. That's what I want to do. Let's make a copy. We did that by hitting the three dots. What do they call those 3 dots? It's generating. I got 3 days left of my trial. Hey, Dr. Joe, Dr. Energy, Joe, Dr. Energy. Yeah. I wanted to catch the stream today, and then a guy came in and said, "Hey, I need this animation like yesterday." So, yeah, I missed the stream. Yes, I had hoped to have some good news. Really, and it was premature of me, really. I had created my thumbnails and made my posts right before I left work, because I thought for sure that this last thing, you know, the concept of me being connected to the VPN, since it's an enterprise Adobe account, that maybe, you know, I had to be on my company's network for some things to install. This turns out to be not the case. I jinxed it. You are on the nose. I totally screwed the pooch on it. So no good news. But yes, I'm gonna, you know, because I was gonna kind of tool around with XD and show, you know, kind of recreate some of the stuff I've been working on in XD. That is not the case. That is not the case. So we're gonna do this. I gotta change my buttons a bit. Change my buttons. We have our this is our inactive button. My active button, I'm going to change. I'm going to change my active button. I mean, we're just gonna take everything. Take from them everything. One of my favorite movies, 300. Nope, I don't want to do, I don't want to hold the shift key. If I hold the shift key, it automatically crops it. But I do want to crop it. I want to crop it down. Not so big there. Then do this. I don't want the blue lines. All right. So my inactive, active. Logos. Let's use the one that's full. I'm gonna crop my, oop, I didn't mean to do that whole thing right there. I'm gonna crop my logo bar out, and I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. Get a little bigger. All right, that's gonna be my active bar. Maybe the background. Take it down just a little. Maybe. All right, I'm gonna download that. I'm just gonna see how it looks. Gotta bring up my button zip. It's 2 buttons, but I'm only gonna use one. That's going into live assets, Stream Deck. Grim buttons. No. I done forgot. Yeah, there we go. Open up my file. That's annoying. You guys, out of this corner of my eye, you're seeing that, and it's called yikes. Yeet. Stream Deck, Grim buttons. We're just gonna extract here. I'm just gonna leave it's active button. We're just gonna leave it as active button. All right. Right now, my active is my APB. We're gonna set it from file. We're gonna choose the active button. It's definitely more distinct. But I don't know. I don't know. Now you can't see it. Well, let's fix that. We'll fix that. Fix that. We'll just go to the full cam button, and we'll make that as the there we go. Everything looks kind of brighter. It looks brighter on camera. It is a challenge. So you think you would need the text? I mean, for me, I guess. What mod squad? What's going on? As I was saying, yeah, give me a sec. Apologies. I guess if I used it enough and it was going to by feel, it might not be an issue for a while. Here's what I'm thinking, what I was thinking. And that's exactly right, Joe. It's like muscle memory. It's like you set up your buttons in a certain order on your Stream Deck. After a while, it's like if you don't see, your BRB lit up, then you must be on your BRB screen, right? Or whatever, scene one, if you're on scene one and you use some, but no, use what works for you, right? I mean, that's the thing. There's no right or wrong way. Use it how, it's going to make sense to you, right? I'm not totally sold on this idea. I'm a designer, right? I'm like, I want to find something that looks cool. I like these, but the colors they still feel muted. My brightness is all the way up. We're up to date. There's some tweaking to be done. Yeah, me too. Like, it's like, that's why I kind of haven't really started creating my own look and feel. I'm using the Showdown because that's why I've never gotten a tattoo. Yeah. Because I can't, settle on, stuff like that. I mean, I do like it. I mean, it's not bad. I think doing it that way, I can go to a different kind of setup, I guess. I can actually set these to be the brighter ones, which I actually like. I like the bright ones. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I had my ear pierced a long time ago, right? Went in the military, and I still had it, but eventually I just quit wearing it and it closed up. But I remember, man, all the rage when I was in high school. The lightning bolt. That was the lightning bolt was the big thing. Because I lived in Florida and that was kind of a surfer thing, but I wasn't a surfer. But yeah, I had a lightning bolt and I wore a hoop every now and then. I ended up wearing a couple of dangly skull ones before. Yeah, I got mine at 18. As soon as I was 18, because my dad was like, if you get earring, you're not living in this house. He didn't mean it, because I got one, and it's like. I do like it's hard to see. It really is hard to see. I like the brighter ones with the pink text. So, yeah, Tango Cash in the house. Wasn't subscribed. That's okay. You are now. Welcome to the stream. I assume you are fixing to play some Apex Legends or some Fortnite. I'm messing with Stream Deck buttons. Designing a set of my own. Awesome, man. Have a good game. Have a good game. Win a few. Get some headshots. Do your dailies. Don't stay up too late. Because, we all got to work in the morning. Well, thank you. Thank you. Tango Cash. Go check him out on Twitch. Twitch.tv or .com. Tango Cash. One of my fellow streamers in the area. Too bad Nova's not here. Nova plays a lot of Fortnite. Nova Charter is usually over on Twitch also. So let's finish up these scene buttons. I'm going to finish up the last scene button and then maybe do a call to action one down there before I tackle any of these other ones. And I'm going to close this one and open up the old one in Canva. And I believe we're doing the app. We had app bottom right, ABR. So this is app top left. And I don't really need the end one, right? We don't want the end one. I'm going to think maybe, okay. I'm gonna delete that. Let's see. going to delete that one. I'm going to duplicate or make a copy. Just make a copy. And then I'll delete this one. There we go. ATL, we're going to download that one. I think it'll let's download it as a PNG, and we won't have to worry about unzipping and all that stuff. And it does. So I'm going to ABP, but this is ATL. ATL. Okay. Got that one saved. Pull back up the Stream Deck. This is the inactive one, so we're going to set that to ATL. Got to get rid of the text. There we go. Then we got to set the inactive, or it's the active now. Is to your skull. All right, there we go. But then I got to change this to my APB app. Now I got to change that. I got to change it to app bottom right, ABR. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Because we are a little anal. That way, right? App bottom right. Oh, let's put some spacing there. Just a little. App bottom right, we're going to download it, and save it. To the inactive, right? That's, or the active. Eventually, I'm going to have to go back and rename all these. Let's call it inactive. Yes. Yes. I'll eventually confuse myself and not know what's going on. Bottom right is inactive. Open. There we go. That looks nice. The fix, yeah. Yeah. Oh man, the lyrics are in my head now. What did he do then? One change leads to another. You know what's wrong with something so long, and then one thing leads to another. Is it one? Yeah, one thing. Yeah, one thing. One change. Yes. Very good. 80s. Old 80s there. If you were not on or missed out on the Impartial Geeks Amazon Live today, we had a fellow 80s 80s geek nerd show up, started talking about the old console games, and we started talking about the Atari 2600, the televisions, TRS-80 computers, Commodore 64s, and yeah, then there would you kind of go back into the culture there. It's like, oh my God, MTV, music videos, all the great 80s, back then we didn't think they were pop, but this great one-hit wonder bands that came out of nowhere. I probably wasn't paying attention, and we were probably going back and forth too, weren't we? Because people's names are different on Amazon. I don't recognize everybody who is, through. I went ahead and changed my name on there so that people know I'm who I am. The name is getting out there. I mean, I am. It was a wise choice for me to go with Grim Skull because I'm starting to get recognized in other streams here and there. Not that that's a it's not a flex or anything. Pixels. Pixels with Adam Sandler. Have I seen that? Oh, okay, it's right there. Oh, and 250. Yeah. I've never seen it. Yeah, not seen it. I don't even remember hearing about it. Man, I must have been out of the loop in 2015. I mean, it had everybody. Holy cow! At least 2 casts of from Game of Thrones. Peter Dinklage, Sean Bean. Brian Cox. I love Brian Cox. That's crazy. Martha Stewart. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll have to put that on my list. I do like Adam Sandler. So, we will put that on the list. All right. We got that button taken care of. All my main scene buttons are now taken care of. Netflix, all right. I'll add it to that list. I'm in the middle of watching Falcon and the Winter Soldier. I finished watching Loki. I'm running out of things to watch. Since the Olympics on, I think they have not been showing been doing my Gordon Ramsay shows. I've been watching Hell's Kitchen. I'm a big Hell's Kitchen fan. I'm a big Gordon Ramsay show fan. And I've also been watching MasterChef. But they haven't been on this week, I think, because of the Olympics. I haven't watched any of the Olympics at all. The only thing I know about the Olympics right now is, like, you know, there's nobody there. Lily King won the bronze in whatever swimming event she did. She's local. Yeah, I got too many. I need to cut some out. Do you have Hulu? And they may not even have this deal in Canada. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting stopped up. I feel like you have a new icon also, Joe. No Hulu. Okay. I got Disney Plus because I already had Hulu and I was gonna get Disney Plus, but then they had that deal where if you could sign up for Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN and get it all for basically the price of what you get Hulu. So I did that. I had HBO Max. I canceled that because there weren't any shows that we were watching anymore. Alex, how are you, sir? Hope things are going well. I believe you did not stream tonight. Okay. At least that I know of. It's not on the schedule. Wait, maybe it is. Is it? No. I don't know. Oh, good, good, good. Yeah, nobody else is streaming on Tuesdays now except me. I should take Wednesdays too, but that's laundry day and everybody would be hearing laundry going on. Robert Jordan's Wheel of Time. I have not read it. I heard they are really good books, but I've not read them. I do have Prime. What I like about Prime is it has a lot of weird shows that you don't find anywhere else. And I'm a weird show kind of guy. I like watching. I can't even make it through the first chapter of J.R.R. Tolkien's Lord of the Rings. And I'm barely through the first book of Game of Thrones. So CTA. Let's do the CTA button. Or the CTA button. I don't want that. But I am gonna do CTA. What's a good graphic? What is a symbol for call to action, right? Call. I don't know if a phone is a good one. How about shout? Alex, if you're still there, have you seen Scott? Yeah, I said cat, right? Has Scott been around your streams, your show? He's been, kind of quiet on the guild, and I can DM him. I should DM him because I did the other day. He did a video about what was going on. Graphics. I don't see much. Yeah, that's about a week ago is when he was kind of out and about, but anyway, I hope he's doing well. Maybe that puppy's driving him crazy. Yeah, these shout. What do they shout? What's with the pigs? What's with the pigs? Maybe let's see. Can we color that? Yes, we can. Make it a blue. Magic recommendations. Let's see what they recommend. They don't seem very magical. How about action? Yeah, I needed to catch that. It's Cubistry. I think the megaphone is going to be about the best metaphor for that. And it's basically a folder. So if I go to that folder, see what? And I can't change that, can I? I can change that. Awesome. kind of don't want to delete it. Ah, what the heck. Arrow. Arrow. Graphic. Maybe a painterly feel. I like that. I like it. I do. I like it. I like it a lot. Make one blue. Can we flip them? Maybe not. We can group them. We cannot. All right, well, I'm going to leave it. I'm gonna leave it like that. I like it. I like that arrow. Yeah, I do too. I like that arrow. I like it. Yeah, that says go back. The return button. And we can put that. Oh. Put that right here. I like it. Works good. What's weird is it does this little shrink thing on my you don't see it, but it's neat. Cool. Now all my other buttons look out of place, right? I got all my nice, color-coded buttons, and all these look out of place now. Now it's like, now I have to complete the set. I'd be in real big trouble if I actually had OCD. Real big trouble. So I've got this camera where it switches. Oh, Jesus Christ. You could tell I didn't plan on using that camera. Let's see if it, there we go. There we go. That's a lot better. This my switch, my camera switch button here. Well, let's do that one. Right now, I've got one that it's lit and dim, but I want it to tell me. I want it to tell me what cam I'm on. This is where we would not use my standard button because it's a back and forth. And I should quit looking at arrows because I'll go back and switch it. I want to do that. Find a brush strokey looking one, right? Well, this arrow, that arrow is just because I've got all my call to actions are in a folder. So when I hit my CTA button, this arrow is just up in the well, you know, it's up there, right? Here's my call to action. When I go to my call to actions, then I've got my arrow that says, yeah, let's go back to my main folder. But on this, I want to do like a camera image. And something that says, you know, like camera 1, camera 2, you know. Yeah. But I will need 2 different arrows when I go to my sound somewhere I've got just took a screenshot. I've got a sound profile for my Wave 3, and it has again, it goes from folder profiles, and you switch profiles because one arrow goes to the right to the next profile, and then the arrow on the other side can go back. So yeah, I should create arrows to go back and forth for sure. So multiple arrow keys, basically. Yeah, took the long way around and saying, yeah, it's a good idea. That's a good idea. Create multiple, you know, back and forth arrows. Oh, that there we go. That kind of looks cool, but it's because it's kind of weird. Weird looking. Interesting. Well, yeah, we can do that. All right. Yeah, you should be able to, but it won't let me for some reason. I got it. I got it. Wait. There it is. Right there. Flip. There it is. Yeah. But they're grouped. Why? Yeah. Ungroup. We ungroup them. Flip. Flip. Bastard. Go ahead and download that. Call it the forward. The forward button. There we go. But it. Why? Why not do it? Oh, I didn't group them back. Okay. Group. Flip. It'll drag them together, but it will not. Flip them. Weird. Oh, there's a solid one. I like that. There we go. Dang it. Group those. Hey. Go to the back of the line. Not all the way to that back of the line, I guess. All right, this is going to be cam button 2. cam to what? Right. And one. We on a roll. I'm on camera one. So, all right, we're on camera one. That's camera two. Camera one. I got an idea. That it's not XD. The thing that I wanted to, the thing I was hoping would fix it, did not fix it. I am a little upset about that. I was really hoping that it would fix it. It did not. So. I just hope your evening is going better than mine, Kevin. Are we happy with that camera? It looks more like a thumbprint, really, right? Too much of a thumbprint. Maybe something more like an actual camera. More Death Star-like. More Planet Destroyer. Oh. I sort of like the simplicity of this, but not quite. Oh, look at that. That's kind of, you know, on the money. I don't want to get rid of that other one just yet. Kind of a camera switchy looky thingy. I just saw it. That one sort of looks Death Starry. Kind of like that one. Oh, it's like looking for a font. The perfect typeface. "5 years later." Yeah. Maybe I should just go with the first one. I should just go with the first one. About, okay. Webcam. The eyeball-y looking thing. Pokemon-esque. It's kind of a sketchy one. Oh. Oh, you can do two colors. Oh. Winner, chicken dinner. What if we do it the opposite? Let's try the opposite. Yeah. So camera one, pink. Because this is what I wanted to do. Camera one is the pink. Back up. Camera one's pink. Camera two is the reverse. Right? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Cool. Hey, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me. Joe, appreciate it. Kevin, thanks for showing up. Alex, so glad to have you here. Tango Cash was here earlier for a bit. Just want to say, hey, I appreciate your time. One of the most valuable things they say, we say is you can give me is your time. That and access to your bank account. I did not edit the number. Thanks for catching that. Oh, I might have to revise that. Let's see. Okay, we're going to go. Boop. Maybe make the number smaller. There we go. So camera 2 is blue. Camera 2 is blue. Send backward. Nope. Send backward. There we go. Block. I want to reverse these. I'm going to make that blue. Then the effect. Make that pink. All right, that's 2. All right, download. Groovy. I'm gonna change. Okay. We'll. There we go. 1. Download. Save that to the. All right. Once I do this, we're done. We're not messing with the cameras anymore. What did I do? Camera 1. That needs, yeah, wrong one. Camera 1, okay. Camera 2. Whoop. I don't want to create a new button. Lies! Lies! I'm on camera 1. It's now on camera 2. Camera 1. Camera 2. I like that. Right? Looks good. All right. Now we got to go to our our display switcher. I don't use it very much. Now we got to find a little icon like see you, Joe. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Really appreciate it. Everybody, don't forget to check out the BU Network. I believe it's not it. Maybe it's BU. Something like that, right? Everybody check out BU Network on Facebook. Dr. Energy and Rah motivational speaking, how to be a public speaker, how to be confident when you're speaking, unlike me who, yammers on and stutters. But I don't do it as much as I used to. So go check them out. They're fun, Rah, and Dr. Energy. Fun time. Kevin, stop me. Stop me. I can't. No. Oh, look, there's another one. That one looks cooler. It kind of doesn't look like a camera. Hey, Dr. Elo, what's happening, brother? How are you this evening? How are things? Is the family back from Puerto Rico yet? Are you recovering from the bachelor life? All right. Okay, we're getting off. Okay, we need you're sleeping? It did. It looked weird, right? It looked like a weird alien eye. Interface. I did that before. Interface. So that was a yes, no. Are you still alone there, or do you have your family back? I hope you have your family back. Family still in Puerto Rico. All right, well, you have us. I know it ain't much, but we are here to hopefully fill the void with some sort of entertainment to pass the time. All right, idea. Hey, Alex, appreciate you stopping by and hanging out, man. Good luck with the show tomorrow, and we'll see you around. Everybody, check out the Polytech. How did the Polytech show? I should just do initials on these things, really. There we go. Look at it. Yeah. Check out Alex, fellow ambassador over at YouTube in the Polytech show, talking about politics and some tech stuff every now and then. Okay, we're gonna download this one. This is going to be display one. Button. It's kind of big. That's what she said. download that again since I made that a little smaller. It's like I took a cold shower. Two. I grab that because I'm going to make that about the same size. Right there. We're going to turn that one blue. Erase that, that down there. Duplicate it, turn that pink. We're going to send that to the back, control left bracket. To drag it up a bit. Drag another one. It's not going to be perfect, but. And we're going to change this one to the color of blue. And then the shadow under effects is going to be pink. There we go. Let's do that download again. We're going to name that display 2. That's this one right here. So we're gonna say we're on display 1, and then we'll go to display 2. I like that. Can't see it because it changes the display. That's funny. All right, it's coming along. Only got 4 more on the main screen. I've got another folder. I'm kind of gonna dub it as my utility folder. Let's do my mic mute one. This one right here. Oops, can't really see it. This one right here, my mic. I like that one. It's the non non-standard kind of looking mic. I don't even know if that's a word. Like this has the U and the little pill shape. It's okay. I like that. Look at graphics. Maybe there's one that's a little. Oh, maybe. Nah. I like it, but maybe we can find one that is just a little edgier. That one that already has the cross through it for mute. Yeah, they're all kind of standard. I think I'm gonna stick with that one. Epidemic sound. Oh, and we're getting into some kind of interesting looking ones. A curly Q one there? Nah. All right, yeah, I think we're gonna stick with the one we got. We're just coming up. Snake eyes. I don't even gamble, so I don't even really know what that means. Let's go with this. Let's say it's blue. Let's make it blue. Blue. We're gonna duplicate it. Control D. Gonna make that one pink-ish, magenta. Send it backwards. You know, give it kind of a drop shadowish kind of look. That's weird. I've never seen it do that before. So that's my mic on. Mic on. I want to do that, but let's do that. You know, kind of do a different take on. What I think I want to do is grab those and turn their opacity down. Excuse me. This is my mic off, but hi. Dogo. Where did I save that? Oh, I'm looking for my skull, and that's not what I'm. My skull logo, and that's not what I saved. Got a cold coming on. I can feel it. I'd have to call in sick tomorrow. All right, let's add that. That's mic on. Off or mute, whichever you prefer. My camera's shaking. I got my foot on my desk. Now my mic is on. You should be able to hear me. Any lip readers out there? What did I say? Because it's not about perfection. I've got a mute button for the music. It mutes it for the stream. I don't use it much. But since we're still on a roll, what time is it? Yeah, we can finish up these last couple buttons. Music note. It's got kind of a painterly feel to it, so let's kind of do the same thing. Let's go back. Blue, and then we're going to duplicate it, Control D. Let's turn that magenta. My keyboard does not nudge these. Control left bracket, we're going to send it backwards. And just kind of drag it in there. So we're going to say download music on. Fish on. Control S. I don't know why I said Control S. Control S usually save. I saw the S and I just deleted. I'm getting tired. There's no doubt about it. I'm so glad I didn't drink that 5-hour energy drink. All right, now I'm going to select those two, and we're going to do that, and then let's make this guy big again. That's what she said. You know you guys wanted to say it. You know you did. There we go. We see the skull. We're muted. Download. I'm kind of liking it. I'm digging these. You can't even. How come nobody told me that I wasn't sharing my screen? You know, just one of those days. Some people have trouble with audio. Others have problem with scene switching. Good night, Elo. Hey, thanks for stopping by, man. I can't wait to see you next on the Be Live, man. Take care, buddy. I feel ya. I feel you. Go get some sleep. All right. That's my music one. Let's go back and get that switched in there. Now it has music on there because this is from like the Wave 3 preset. So that is already added into the button mechanic. So I don't think I can take that out. Plus it gives valuable information. All right, there we go. I can mute the music. Unmuted, muted. They're turning out pretty good. What do you think, Kevin? The one thing I haven't done is I haven't went up and reset these to their. I like the brighter buttons as and then I'm using this the skull is that tells me what scene I'm on, or that whatever I'm on is active. All right, let's do the little utility button there. We'll go ahead and do that one too. And I'm gonna I am gonna find one of those clapper boards. Wait, do they have a good grungy looking one? Really? I don't think I'm going to find what I'm looking for. All right, let's just go with the basics. This is kind of the utility. Capture button. Capture folder button. Because it goes to the folder that has like his screenshots. Going to put a record button, one, you know, some other utility things there. Boom. This other one is the browser. To mute my browser input for the stream. But now it's active. So maybe we have it. Do we have a Google G? We do. That's Facebook. Why did I said Google? Did I hit? Oh, yeah, because I hit Facebook. Duh. That's funny. Not Google Plus. Just give me a G. Give me a G. I wonder if that'll be two-tone. Nope. Let's go with the blue, right? Blue. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to turn that one to magenta. Backward. Download, we'll call it the browser. Why does it have to be Google? Why not browser? Hey, but just best to go with the Google. Web browser. Does that give us any extra results, different results? Sorta. Nothing's really catching my eye. I think Google was, or Chrome. Because that's what I use, Chrome, right? Kind of like that one. It's one of these sci-fi techie ones, right? Huh. We're getting into actual Chrome. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's do that one. I like that one. Kind of browser. And we're gonna take that down. Hey. Browser off. Not my day. What time is it? All right. I was hoping to get those last two done before 10. I did not accomplish that goal. I already saved that. Duh. I might not be here when you get back, Kevin. I am ready to end the stream. I am tired. Going the way of Elo. All right, that is. Browser is on. Browser is off. Well, I think that's it. That's it for the first page. Eventually, I will go. I will fix my other call to actions and. These buttons. It looks like I've got my first page of buttons done. I got 2 buttons left. I'm just trying to figure out what can I use them for. I should really, I don't need a folder for call to action at the moment, right? But I wanted to put more folders down. That's 2 more folders for what I need, I guess. So yeah, even though I didn't mess with XD, I got some stuff done. So Kevin, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Everybody else that came to hang out, thanks a lot. I really appreciate the time you guys spend, hanging out. So I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, it's the garbage disposal was just, if you didn't see that, should really call Dr. Obvious. It's a skit on Bob and Tom. I don't know, I'll have to explain Bob and Tom to you at some point. All right, night, Kevin. Night, everybody. Thanks for showing up. Peace out. Bye.